sengizokukhombisa ke umthetho omusha wokwenza ama derivatives. Asithi ke angithi besisebenza nama product rule nama chain rule. Ya. Ukuze ke sikwazi ukusolva ama functions kalula sizosebenzisa amaningi lama rule. Asiqale ke manje senze a chain rule. Chain rule ithi asithi mhlawumbe mengine f of x equals h of x times g of x. F of x equals h of x times g of x. I-chain rule ithi sizothi f prime x wethu uzoba h prime x times g of x plus h of x times g prime x times g prime x. I-chain rule leyo asike siyifake ezibalweni zangempela sibone ukuthi izosebenzela yini. Asithi f of x equals 5x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 7 times 20 to the power of 2 plus 3x to the power of negative 7. Asifake ke apply i-power rule yethu la. I-power rule yesitshela ukuthi lana kuzothi mina sithole i-derivative yale term le engiyi-underline nayo manje. Sizothi ke 5 times 5 is 25, x to the power of 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 7 x to the power of 7 minus 1 is 6 times times 20 x to the power of 2 plus 3x to the power of negative 7 and plus derivative yale term esigcineni. Derivative yale term esigcineni ke izothi 40x minus 21 x to the power of negative 8. Yeah, bese sithi times 5x to the power of 5 minus x to the 7 minus x to the 7. Yabona ukuthi sesiwasebenzisile omabili ama terms. Sithathe i-function i-derivative times i-function, i-derivative yokuqala times i-function yesibili plus i-derivative yesibili times i-function yokuqala. Yeah, asenze enye ke futhi asithi ngathi nje so t f of x equals 10x to the power of 3 plus 5x to the power of 2 minus 7 times 20x to the power of 8 minus 7. F prime x ke derivative ya f of x kuzoba 30x squared plus 10x bese ke la sizothi 20x to the 8 minus 7 plus derivative yala kuzoba 8 times 20 ba 160x to the power of 7 minus 7 lo uzokhanselwa bese sithi 10 times 10 to the 10x to the power of 3 plus 5x squared minus 7 ithemu yethu yokuqala leyo futhi uyabona ukuthi sithathe term derivative yokuqala ne-term yesibili plus i-term yokuqala, i-function yokuqala times i-derivative yesibili. sisuse lokhu futhi siphinde siqale futhi asithi lana ke y equals x to the power of 2 plus 2x to the power of 5 times 3x to the power of negative 3 plus x to the power of 2 konke to the power of negative 7. Bese sithi ke derivative of y with respect to x, the product rule yethu ke le, derivative of y with respect to x equals qala ngalokhu le term yethu le sizothi ke 2x plus 2 la bese sithi ke 2x plus 2 times 5 bese x term yethu izofika la to the power of 4 x squared plus 2x x term yethu ile ngaphakathi lapha ya bese ke uzothi times 3x to the negative 3 plus x squared konke to the negative 7 plus term yethu yangaphakathi nakhona sizothi ke 3 times negative 3 negative 9 uthi tumbala ngoshinjile yeah 3 times negative 3 into negative 9 x to the negative 4 x to the negative 4 plus 2x konke beku to the negative 7 ngakho ke sothi times negative 7 bese la sifaka i-term yethu to the negative 8 term yethu ithi 3x to the negative 5 to the negative 3 nxase plus x to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2 bese siyahla sithi x squared plus 2x sivale to the power of 5 to the power of 5 bese ke times 2x squared plus 2x times x squared njalo plus 2x to the power of 5 umphumela wethu ke uma sisebenzisa i-chain rule yethu la khona sithatha i-derivative yokuqala ne-product ne-function yesibili plus i-function yokuqala plus times i-product yesibili ebese siyakuhlanganisa i-product yethu izosinika i-product rule ne-chain rule izosinika lokho